Hey guys, it's your girl Nelly here, of course, and today's video is a little DIY, as you can see by the title. Being with everything that's going on in the world right now, I wanted to, use my time wisely, I guess. And I've been seeing a lot of people do this DIY on TikTok and on Instagram. And I also wanted to do it. Like, it inspired me to do it because I have this big wall in my living room that has nothing on it, and it just looks so plain and white, and I just wanted to add something to it to make the house look a little, festive and cute or whatever. So for those who do not know, I recently moved into my apartment with my roommate about 3 to 4 months ago, and we still have a lot of, well, not as much, but we still piece by piece keep getting things for the house. Being that quarantine happened, we couldn't go to the stores and stuff like that to get all the finishing things that we wanted. So I decided to do this DIY, and I feel like this project is something that I'm gonna love. And I hope you guys like it too. I'm gonna list everything that I used in this project so that you guys can do it yourself and tag me and let me know how it turned out. But as far as the DIY for my apartment, I hope it turns out great. I know y'all sick of this pink hair, but I promise it's out. But I really like the pink hair. I didn't think I would like it. I haven't done pink before, and I really like this pink hair. I didn't think it would look cute on me, but I really like it. And this hair is from my hair collection. I do sell hair, for those who are wondering. And this is from Faucet Hair Extensions. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can see and shop with me. And yeah, so I'm taking this out soon. And my birthday's coming up soon. Yeah, hope we're not in quarantine anymore. And hopefully I will be able to go out of the country because I really wanted to do that for my birthday. But yeah, I also have a house tour, apartment tour coming soon, guys. So let me stop talking and show y'all how I'm about to do this DIY. So guys, I'm in my bed trying to cut out these pieces. And do you guys like my Chinese letters? Yeah, I'm a real arts and craft girl, so I like doing arts and craft and construction stuff. To me, this one is the hardest one to sketch out if you're a non-artist. And I've been just going by these pictures here on Google and just eyeballing it and seeing what I can draw for myself and fix it up after. But so far I think I did pretty good. But this one was the hardest. This one was really easy, and the Louis Vuitton one was really easy. But this one, because I have to get a perfect circle, I have to make 8 of these, and I have to make 15 of these and 8 of these. So I'm gonna start cutting them out and going at a faster pace because I have a lot to do. Let's hurry it up because I want to see the finished look so bad. This is the finished product of the traced out stencil that I looked at on Google. I pulled up an LV logo on Google and I just eyeballed it and traced it out on this cardboard that I got from Amazon packages during quarantine. And I did a pretty good job. I just traced it out and I used a box cutter that I got from the Dollar Tree. And it's gonna go on this wall right here. I'm gonna take the clock down. finished product of all the pieces that I painted, and I have a lot of them. And I decided to use these because I don't want it to go to waste. So I'm just gonna put it up there, who cares? They came out of the circle ones. So we'll see how they look when I put them up and add the grass. So I got this from Walmart. This is the Spanish moss. I got 3 packs. And I also have Scotch adhesive spray. I got this as well just to see how it's gonna work. And I got little flowers. All of this can be purchased at Walmart. So we're gonna start it here. We're having a girls' night. Oh my God. They're gonna help me do this. So let's go. Oh my God, it looked like it.
What people use this
green.
for?
Yeah, I had used this for my project when I was in middle school.
To do what? Grass? To make grass?
We had to build a popsicle stick house, and I wanted to be all fancy, and my mom wanted to be fancy, and my dad was helping us, so me and Terrell did it.
Because I get the A, I don't care.
I wanted grass on my lawn and everything. I had got me a popsicle. What's that thing
Fence?
called? The driveway.
So they are complete. Yeah, they're everywhere, y'all. And this is the finished mess that we made. So I'm about to clean up and start sticking them on the wall, and I'm gonna show y'all the finished product finally when it goes on that wall. Okay, we have the whole wall done. What do y'all think? Let me go closer so y'all can see the grass. So we painted this, and then we added the grass with adhesive spray, and I used these reusable dots, and also this is the main one we used. We used the dots for the circles in the middle, but I use this Scotch Clear mounting squares. It works pretty good. So I didn't have to use a nails or nothing. You can use that from Walmart. So let me know what you guys think. So this is the finished product of my fancy LV wall. Our little DIY that we did during quarantine. And I think it came out perfect. I added butterflies and little flowers to it. As you can see, you can add whatever you want, but I just wanted to add that to give it some color to go with the living room. But this is the finished product, guys, and I love it. So tell me what you guys think below in the comments, and this is the end of the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.